Here's how to install a Rain-X RearView wiper blade on a V-notch arm. Locate the packaged adapter cover. We'll use this to secure the wiper blade later. Begin by placing the wiper arm in the service position. You may need to consult the owner's manual of your vehicle on how to do this. To remove the old wiper blade, slide the cover forward. Place one hand between the wiper blade and the wiper arm. With the other hand, rotate the blade until it disengages. To install the new wiper blade, align the center opening on the wiper blade under the pin at the end of the wiper arm. Press the wiper blade firmly until it snaps into place. Slide the cover over the wiper blade base until it locks into place with a click. Installation is complete. You are now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X RearView.